Hello friends. Today my topic is a determination of calorific value. I already discussed what is the calorific value when 1 gram fuel completely burn, an amount of heat release. This magnitude on this amount of heat is the measure in the form of calorific value. Now, the calorific value may be used to determine the quality of fuel. If large amount of heat released by fuel, more calorific value. Less amount of heat release, less calorific value. So today my topic is a determination of calorific value by Baum calorimeter. Basically, determination of calorific value by two methods: Baum calorimeter and Zenker calorimeter. Baum calorimeter are used to determination of calorific value. Just like example, fuel and this is an experimental setup of Baum calorimeter. I will be determine the calorific value of solid fuel or non-volatile liquid fuel by using a Baum calorimeter. Now this is the figure. See the figure of Baum calorimeter. They are the like stainless steel crucible, and this is a magnesium wire. Sample may be taken whose calorific value determined in the form of pellet. Like if a determination of coal taken in the form of pellets, and these coal may be touched to the magnesium wire, and these sample placed in the stainless steel. This is known as a bomb, and this is a oxygen inlet valve, and these magnesium wire may be connected to the battery. Can I say oxygen may be supplied to burning of fuel and known amount of fuel may be taken, this is stainless steel bomb, and this stainless steel bomb placed in copper calorimeter will be will be containing stirrer. Stirrer may be required to uniform heating, and like Beckman thermometer, and this thermometer is different from normal thermometer. This is known as a Beckman thermometer because they measure 0.01 degree centigrade temperature accurately. And these in copper calorimeter taken a known amount of water. I will discuss today next topic principle I will discuss. Then these copper calorimeter placed in next container. This is the air jacket, and air jacket may be placed in water jacket. So complete experimental setup: Beckman thermometer, stainless steel bomb, stirrer, battery, air jacket, water jacket, copper calorimeter. Now, what is the basic principle of this bomb calorimeter? Then fuel are burned, amount of heat release, these heat absorbed by water. Now, initial temperature water may be noted. Definitely, when heat released by fuel, heat absorbed by water, rise the temperature of water. Both, whatever basic principle, heat released by water and heat absorbed by fuel and heat absorbed by water. This basic principle of this topic, and these are very close pegged because the amount of heat not released in the environment and accurately measure. Like this one will be can I say fuel coal burn and amount heat release 1 gram coal amount heat release absorbed by water, rise in temperature of water measured by. I will be discuss this is basic principle, and I will discuss the calculation. Weight of fuel sample taken x gram, weight of water taken calorimeter, capital W gram, higher calorific value L calorie per gram SCV, initial temperature of water in calorimeter T1 degree centigrade, final temperature water after heat absorbed the water by heat released by fuel T2 degree centigrade. Per calorific value determined per gram, total heat release XL, sample will be taken x gram. Now heat absorbed by apparatus, total heat absorbed by apparatus T2 minus T1. This is a small w, this is the weight of water taken in copper calorimeter. Now total heat absorbed and total heat release principle, total heat released by fuel and total heat absorbed by water. XL barabar heat released by fuel total XL, and this is this one LBV calculate, and after LCV higher calorific value calculate, LCV easily calculate out. But this formula may be modified. The correction. What is the correction? Because fuse wire correction. What is the mean of fuse wire correction? I will be already discuss. The sample may be attached. To the magnesium wire. Magnesium wire may be burn an amount of heat release, and these heat may be included in the fuel. So that fuse wire correction must be minus total heat release. Now, acid correction, fuel contain more element, carbon, sulfur, nitrogen. They are burned and produce a H2SO4 and HNO3. These reactions are exothermic, and these heat is a extra, including the heat of fuel, so that this may be minus to this value may be minus total heat released by the fuel, heat absorbed by the water. Now कूलिंग करेक्शन, व्हाट इज द बेसिक प्रिंसिपल ऑफ कूलिंग करेक्शन? जिस रेट से वाटर की हीटिंग हो रही है उसी रेट से वाटर की कूलिंग होती है। तो जितनी हीट वाटर एब्जॉर्ब कर रहा है उसकी क्या होगी? कूलिंग होगी। तो नेचुरली वो हीट लॉस होता जा रहा है। तो कूलिंग करेक्शन को हम टोटल हीट में प्लस करेंगे, लेकिन एसिड करेक्शन और फ्यूज वायर करेक्शन ये एक्सोथर्मिक प्रोसेस है और ये एक्स्ट्रा हीट होती है, तो इसको फ्यूल की टोटल हीट में से इसको माइनस करेंगे और जीसीबी निकालने के लिए फिर हम जो ग्रॉस जो मास ऑफ फ्यूल कितना लिया उसको हम डिवाइड कर देंगे। दे आर करेक्ट फॉर्मूला में बी अप्लाइड इन द न्यूमेरिकल। तो कैन बी 3 करेक्शन में बी रिक्वायर्ड: फ्यूज वायर करेक्शन, acid correction and cooling correction. We discuss the numerical. A fuel combustion bomb kilometer give a following data: weight of coal sample per 1 gram, weight of water taken in kilometer 2500 gram, water equivalent in kilometer to 450 gram, rise in temperature T2 minus T1 to 4.5 degrees. Cooling correction will be given. Fuse wire correction 10 calorie. Calculate the lower and higher calorific value with the help of bomb calorimeter if hydrogen supply 5%. Now, can those data are not given? Calculate, put the value 0. W is a 250, water 450 gram, rise in temperature, fuse cooling T2 minus T1 2.5, cooling correction may be plus, and acid will be only fuse wire correction, not given acid correction. The acid correction value put the 0, fuse wire correction 10, then divide mass of fuel 1 gram. SCB we calculate, because what is the meaning of, already discussed the SCB. In SCB, heat of fuel including the heat of fuel including the heat of byproduct. LCB, byproduct may be released out, and can I say SCB is always greater than LCB. So this is a numerical based on copper bomb calorimeter. So can I say today I will discuss what is the use of bomb calorimeter will be used to determine the calorific value of solid fuel is non-volatile liquid fuel using a bomb calorimeter. What is the basic principle of bomb calorimeter? Heat released by fuel, heat absorbed by water, and rise in temperature may be measured, and a main formula and correction formula. Next time we discuss next lecture a Zunker calorimeter for use the determination of calorific value.